Today we're looking at how to use imagery to capture people's attention on Instagram. Instagram is very much a visual platform, and as you can see, this business is no different. This absolutely stunning Thai food, and what they do is they show basically like all their different dishes. They give you, it's all about that kind of food porn, that food inspiration, and their Instagram is very much a kind of window into what you could experience if you go into one of the restaurants. This one is gorgeous. So I think the actual image itself is beautiful. I think that with the really, really kind of like crisp background, the white plate, and then all the color is in the food. I think it really just kind of shows off the food as beautifully as it can. And then when you actually go into the detail, did you know that you can get our bang cafe katsu for just £12 during our lunch deal? Indulge, and then it goes into lots of detail about what you would actually get with it. Now this got them more likes than quite a lot of their other posts, and I think it is just because it's simple, it's effective, it gives you all the detail in the caption so you know exactly what you're going to get. And it is that kind of food inspiration that especially capturing people when they're hungry and ready for lunch. Now, if I was these guys, one things I'd be thinking about is just making life easier. You know, how can I create really, really good content easily for social media? So what I would do is I would go to maybe platform, I would go into content calendar and go into create a post. So I might write something like write a post on the health benefits of Thai food. And with the new AI system, what I can do is I could write an Instagram post, or do you know what? I might go for long form. I might want a longer post, and it literally does it for me. So there you go. Hashtag Thai food is not only delicious, but it has many health benefits. Here are the top reasons to incorporate this cuisine into your healthy diet. And it goes into all the detail. Now, what you don't have to do, obviously, is use all of that. The idea is that this gives you the base to form a post. And then all they need to do is add in an image. They can add in, actually, this would give you some emojis anyway, normally. Some emojis can be added in throughout the actual post. There you go. And then it can even add in some hashtags as well to make sure that it's got all the right hashtags to get the following correct. But it just means that, you know, they've literally created a post in a couple of minutes that might have taken them, you know, hours and hours to come up with and go and Google and research. So that is one of the benefits of using the new AI system. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.